Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M5 Touring in Marina Bay Blue Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M5 Touring in Marina Bay Blue Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we got the headlight welcoming animation and we got that iconic glow kidney grille lit up. And if I go ahead and press and hold the panic button for a second, you can see the full low beam system on there with the pathway lighting. So before we begin the presentation, I will do a full lap all the way around the car. This is our second Marina Bay Blue M5 Touring that we've had at the store thus far. The first one went to Neil. Shoutouts to Neil. And man, this thing looks crazy. So, now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got the beautiful Marina Bay Blue Metallic. We just recently had an M5 sedan here in this color, but this color is amazing. It's been here for a little while. It first appeared on, I think, M8. And this paint has so much depth into the blue. I kind of feel like it's almost like San Marino blue from F80, F82 gen, but paint looks really nice. And we've got that metallic flake in there, which looks amazing. And you can see we've got these lines coming lengthwise on the hood here. BMW rondelle up front and center, just between these two grooves on the hood. And down here, we'll get that iconic glow on once again. And we do have the horizontal slats, black M5 badging there with the silver lining. Giant air intake ducts all around the bottom area here. And I've shown in previous videos, big enough for the whole camera and gimbal to fit in there. And we've got that split dual chin. And with the headlights on, car looks really, really menacing. Now, if we look over here, you'll see that we have the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. And on the 5 Series, the headlights themselves are raked down ever so slightly for that aggressive shark nose look. And all these little patterns and such in there look really nice. And we've got the little cornering light there as well. And front end just looks so nice. Now if we come around to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch front and the 21-inch rear double spoke 951M wheels in jet black with the red M compound brake back there. And I can see we've got the Pirelli P0s here as well. On the front fender, we also have the charge port door, which is connected to the central locking system. So if I press that open, you'll see that we have level 1, level 2 connection. Little legend in there that tells us what this light is telling us. We also have black M wing mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera. We have the rocker panel down here as well, which looks very aggressive. We also have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts there. And we also have black window surrounds. Hofmeister kink is over here. We have the black roof rails up top with the glass roof. We have the new style antenna here as well. And back here you can see the rear quarter is extra wide. And this is the 21-inch 951M wheel in jet black with the red M compound brake. We've got this nice spoiler up here on the trunk or the tailgate. We also have the rear wiper arm here, M5 badging, and we've got the double L-shaped tail lights. So once those light up, you can see the tail light design is slightly different on the Touring than versus the sedan. And from back here, you can see we've got the vertical reflectors on the widest sections at the bottom. We've got the massive rear diffuser here with the quad exhaust tips that are also staggered in position. And I've got the key with me, so if I go ahead and kick my foot underneath the middle here, so we can get this to open up the hands-free way. We do also have the cargo cover, so this cargo cover can come out. There's a position in which it can be stopped here, a second position which can be stopped here, and if you just lift it up, it'll slide to the last position. We have the buttons on each side, so we're able to take the entire cargo cover out, and if we push it towards the front, it will lock back into place. These are the carpeted mats. We also have a little bag here that has your level 1, level 2 flex charger in there with both level 1, level 2 heads. 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, quick release to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Other releases over here, illuminated netted area, another illuminated netted area, and fuse panel is back there. And we've got some crisscross metal here. Lift that up. We have a tire inflator kit with air compressor, front plate bracket, and we have this little section cut out so you can actually store the cargo cover if you wanted. We have a little string to pull this with, and up top we got a button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle so we can have this closed the hands-free way. And we do have the fuel cap door on the passenger side. However, with BMW's plug-in hybrids, you do need to press something inside the driver door area to have that unlock. So right inside of here, right beside the exterior lighting controls, there's a button you can press here. So it says preparing for refueling, and it says refueling possible. So this one doesn't have a full tank, so it does depressurize and allow us to get in there. So when I come back over to the passenger side, press on 9 o'clock, door opens. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, one click, there's a spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, and then you can shut the door. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see that we have the manual sunshades in the back here. We also have the black leather interior inside. Door pull, window switch, Bowers & Wilkins speaker mesh with the illuminated speaker. We also have some nice stitching, pocket, and back here, let me just put this back. So we do have the M tricolor seat belts. Seats can be folded from here as well in a 60-40 split. We also have armrest in the center with some cup holders. And up here, there's a button you can press right here for the center pass-through. And we also have up top some handles, lights, coat hangers. On the back of each front seat, we've got a little hole with an M badge, and we have an accessory port with USB Type-C. Winter mats are down here with some illumination. There are also more vents underneath the front seats. And back here we have the rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, heated seats for the 2 outer positions, a little storage area is down here as well. And don't forget, we also have the coat hanger on the back of the B-pillar and another vent here as well. So now that we've had a chance to look back here, let's shut this door. We'll open the front door next. So here we are at the front passenger door. Open that up. You'll see that we have Bowers & Wilkins. We have the interaction ambient light bar going all the way around. We have some seating controls, unlock, lock, window control, door pull, pocket down here, speaker down here. We have your M5 door sill. We have the full power seat with lumbar, illuminating M5 on the headrest here, heavy bolstering, and of course, M seat belts at the front. And here we have the carbon fiber trim with the aluminum thread. We've also got the ambient light going all the way around, and this is of course Indigo M, so it's got the M tricolors in the center here. Soft touch materials on the dash. We've got some more crisscross patterns over here. This is iDrive 8.5 with the M specific display, and down here we have your wireless charger on the driver's side with a vent that cools your phone. We also have a little storage area on the passenger side, 2 cup holders, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. We also have the red push start button, gear selector. This is your iDrive controller with the M inside of there, volume wheel, and a button that opens your split armrest with the 12-volt plug in there. So let's shut all this up and we'll go to the driver's side next. Alright, so we're on the driver's side, and kind of hard to see, but there's an M welcome light carpet down here. So if I open the front door here, you'll see we have Bowers & Wilkins, more lights, memory seats, unlock lock, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release. You can press that to open, pull and hold to close while the key's inside. M5 door sill, full power seat with lumbar once again. And here we have flat steering wheel at the bottom with M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock, head-up display, and we've got those big chunky M1, M2 buttons, which look great. And now that we're in here, we have the interior camera here. So M5 Touring, sunshade scrolls to the rear. And like I said, interior cam, SOS. We also have your rear view mirror with the garage door buttons underneath. And this one also has the assisted driving plus. So let me just get into driving settings and driver assistance and driving. So you'll see assisted driving plus. So cruise control that mitigates the speed, the distance, steers for you, changes lanes for you, and this can all be done with no hands on the steering wheel. And it has the 360 cam with 3D view. So you can also see this through the app. You also have the car wash view, and once the car is on, you can select camera cleaning to spray the front, rear, or both front and rear cameras at the same time. And this also has all the automatic parking, so front park, back park, parallel park, recorded parking path. So all of that is pretty sweet. And with BMW's navigation in iDrive 8.5 or 9, you'll also be able to get the augmented view nav that shows a video of outside on your next navigation maneuver. So all of that is pretty sweet, and I like it. But now, let's open the door again. And we'll exit the vehicle, and down here you can see that we've got your pedals, and you can't see it, but if you touch right here, you'll see you have your hood release. It's 2 pulls. So I pulled it twice. When we get to the front, we won't have to find anything. We just have to lift this up, and there it is, the beautiful S68 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo. This has 717 horsepower, 738 foot-pounds of torque, with the help of the mild hybrid, or the plug-in hybrid motor, sorry. We have a positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, and your washer fluid is way over here. What an absolute beast this is. And when you see this on the road, it is just so wide, and it definitely commands everyone's attention. And BMWs do have 2 latches into the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just send her down. Beauty. All right, so before I conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. And I wanted to get some of these longer range angles, because the car looks absolutely crazy. This is like the ultimate family wagon, track car, Sunday grocery getter, take her to school car. And I hope with the sales of these M5 Tourings, BMW sees that we do need the Touring for the 3 Series. And I know we missed it on the G21, G81 chassis in North America, but let's get their Neue Klasse Touring in North America, please. And you know what? Since we're back here, let me just place my camera down for a second, and I'll start it up in dynamic. So how did you like that V8 cold start sound? And now that we've done that, let me just continue this lap all the way. So how do you like the 2026 BMW M5 Touring in Marina Bay Blue Metallic? If you really love this car, it's available now. It can be yours. Contact me right away. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M5 Touring in Marina Bay Blue Metallic with the Black Merino leather inside. This car is just crazy. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.